In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we're the Gulay Brothers. My name's Kenji and
I'm Wilford.
And today we're gonna do a corn eating contest. And whoever wins gets a prize. Okay, from like my mom and dad. So we got this idea because of Cornfest, from the corn eating contest, yeah. So we're gonna do it at home, cause we didn't I didn't join or something, and my brother too. And it's 2 minutes. I think it's the same as the corn eating contest, over there. So let's get started, guys. In 3, 2, 1.
No.
$1 million ang prize. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, stop. Daddy will check.
Guys, look at my face right now. I need to do.
No, ayos, Saji.
No, Kenji. No.
Kanya na. Check.
Come on.
Kenji. Oy. Kuya. Thank you, Daddy. And who's the winner, Daddy?
Drum roll, please.
Who's the winner?
No!
It's Chris. See that? Oh, Kuya Breva, see?
Oh, look. Mine is. See, look.
That's just the same baby.
No, Kenji.
Hey guys, we're gonna end this video now. I lost. My brother wins. You'll get the prize. And I lost because we were enjoying laughing. Yeah, so I lost. But I still ate a lot. And it was so yummy. And Explores Canada, and leave a like and comment down below if you want to eat some table corn. And bye guys.